Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am making a Madeira cake. I have preheated my oven to 160 degrees and lined a 7-inch cake tin with greaseproof paper. In my glass bowl I am going to sieve plain flour and self-raising flour together. I'm going to cream together my butter and caster sugar. I'm now going to add 1 egg with a teaspoon of the sieved flour and beat it together. Add the rest of my flour. Finally, I'm going to add a zest of 1 lemon. Pour the cake mixture into my cake tin. I'm now going to bake in the centre of the oven. I'm now going to drizzle my icing over the top. If you want to find out how to make the icing, check out this Belgian buns video or click on the eye in the top right hand corner and it will take you to the video. I will also leave the ingredients in the description below. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.